we is about to be putting up these groceries. Yes, all of these groceries, we're gonna be putting them up, and then we gotta organize my refrigerator. Like, the refrigerator is basically, it's damn near full already. So I don't know where all this stuff, I don't know why this stuff gonna go at, but it's gonna go somewhere. But yeah, y'all just finna, y'all finna call me, baby. Let's get to work. Let's get to work.
Y'all, these is so good. Like, it's fruit and cheese with crackers, red grapes, apple slices, Kobe Jack cheese and crackers. Y'all, $2 at Aldi's. Yes. And I also got this Moonster deli sliced cheese. I don't know y'all, but my sister says it's very good, so that's why I got it. And like, look, it add a little spice to it. Of course, you got these peppers. Baby, if you ain't got sweet and hot beef jerkies, what are you doing?
Okay, cousins, listen. Every time I record a video, I always get interrupted by the infamous Derek. Like why? Why? Always. Really, always. But y'all, listen. This is like all the motherfucking groceries that we gotta put up. Like, I say we because anyways, like, I say we because huh? What's going on? Yeah. Bruh, he get on my nerves. I don't even know the hell, bruh, for real. But like, this is like all the groceries that we finna put up. I'm finna show y'all my refrigerator because this shit is like already full. So I don't know where we finna put this stuff, but y'all watch it.
A few moments later.
Y'all look at my refrigerator. Like, this is my refrigerator right now. Like, literally right now. Like, this is my refrigerator. Like, my refrigerator, like, I don't know, like, what the hell we finna put all this shit at? Like, this to this to this, baby, we finna put up these groceries, y'all, and we just finna get it.
A few moments later.
Refrigerator looking on a little full, a little swole. Period. I moved this milk from the back and I put it in the front because baby, first in, first out. Got all my juices, waters, all that. La Stella Rosa. Y'all to see what drip. Okay, so boom, cousins, as y'all can see, baby, we put up all of our groceries. Like when I say all, it made me feel like I get food stamps when I don't. Period. But yeah, we put up all our groceries. I'm about to take a shower, unwind, wait for my food to come. And yeah, that's it. That's it. Like, period. That's it. Yeah, we got a house full of groceries, except for the Vienna sausages. I gotta go to Sam's Club. Maybe it won't be tomorrow. I'm not doing nothing tomorrow. So probably next weekend I go to Sam's Club and do like a little restock or whatever. But thank y'all for watching me put up all these motherfucking groceries. Derek did not help me. Did you? Nah, he ain't help me. You ain't help me put up these groceries. You helped me? You did? Okay. Well, he said he helped me. I guess he helped me in spirit. I don't know. He helped me in spirit because he brought all the groceries in, I guess. You always in spirit, babe? Yeah? Because you brought in all the groceries, right? The Lord got? Okay. Yeah, y'all. He said he in spirit, y'all. So he did help me bring in all the groceries. So, baby, if it was me, myself, I would have made like 4 different trips. Nah. Baby wasn't having that. We only made 1 trip and baby, poop, period. But yeah, like I always say at the end of my videos, live life, let life live you. Okay, bye.